How to find the billing zip code for your credit card. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can find the billing zip code for your credit card. To find the billing zip code for your credit at first you have to look at your most recent billing statement. That could be either the paper or the electronic, where your billing address and the zip code are listed. After that you have to log into your credit card issuer's website or the mobile application, and then you have to navigate to the account settings or the profile section to view your billing information, including the zip code. If you cannot find the zip code, you can call the customer service number on the back of your card. You have to be prepared to verify your identity. Now you can review any documents you received when you obtain your card, as they may include your billing zip code, and you can check the FAQ or the help section on your credit card issuer's website for the additional guidance on locating your billing zip code. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.